Okay, I'm gonna be doing an unedited tutorial on Algodoo. Let's start. I'm gonna make my webcam go over to there. Then you can see. Now the first thing we're gonna do is, let's start from down here. There's the brush. Actually, there's the pencil. So the pencil is like a free form kind of draw. Then there's the cutting tool, which allows you to cut. And then there's the moving tool to let you move things. Then there's the dragging tool, which is my personal favorite. You need to turn on the simulation, so you do that by pressing this. And you see everything's now there, and then we can go like woo, and then we do whew, and now it's over there. And now the next one down is the rotate tool. You can simply just rotate things. Then there's the resizing tool to let you resize things. Then you can like move it around and like make everything go away. And then there's the brush, which has a different color each time you do it. And then there's the eraser, which erases stuff. Then there's the polygon, which is similar to the pencil tool, but it's not just a line. And then there's some gears, so you can create gears, and then you can actually spin them. Using the dragging tool, you can spin them, which is pretty cool. And then you can do a box. Wobble, 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 wobble. And then there's a circle tool to create circles that you can actually spin. And then, yep. And then there's the plane tool, which makes a giant rectangle. And then there's a rope, so you can make a rope around that. Jeez. Yeah, things have gravity. And then there's the what is it? The spring, so you can do from here to here. Then if you spin this, wait, you can use this to like spin this maybe. Then there is the fixate an object, so you can fixate an object to another one. And then there's the axle, which is my personal favorite, so you can get something out here. It's maybe like, oh goodness gracious, everything is on that. And then if we just use the moving tool to move that on top of there, then move, okay, I guess not. And then we can do this. Where? Oh, that's not that. It's this to do that. And now, okay, I guess that doesn't work. all experimental. It's been 5 minutes. Then there's the thruster, which I don't know how to use that much. Then there's the laser to show how light bounces off of stuff. So it bounces off of here, and then it bounces off of there, and then bounces off of here, and then boom. And then there's this to show where objects have moved. So you can do like this, and then just make like a crazy circle. Crazy circle. Then what is this? A texture tool? I don't even what? Moves the texture, rotates the texture. I don't even know what's going on with this anymore. Okay. Now we can start looking at the things at the context menu. So there's erase, which is self-explanatory. It just erases things. And then just get out this. You know what? I'm gonna start a new world. And then on something like the next list down is liquefy, to liquefy something. I'm gonna do that because we might actually need that. And then the next down the list is spongify, to make something kind of like spongy, so it kind of like bounces, and stuff also bounces off of it. So you see the circle, you see this circle is bouncing off of this. And then the next down the list is the clone, self-explanatory. It just clones it. Whoopee, 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 whoop. Oh no. Then there's mirror, which just mirrors it. And then there's show plot, which is just like its momentum and speed. Then there's selection, I don't even know what that is. Appearance, so change like the color. Then don't draw the borders and all that stuff. Then there's material. No, get back here. Nope, nope, nope. It's helium. One other cool thing you can do is make the ground helium. Then you can see it's kind of see-through. And then you just need to change the appearance to about there. Jeez. And then kind of like make it like that color. Where's the color that we need? I don't even know that much. Okay, about there? Or is it kind of like, I think it's kind of like it's a that. It's alpha. You just need to turn alpha down. And bam. Now, I turned off draw borders, so it's like super duper tiny, so you can't even see what is ground and what isn't. So, yeah, let's get our circle back. And then velocities, it's just all the speed, so the speed that it's moving. So you can do that, and it's just moving super fast. Ooh. Okay, let's just, no! Give me over here. Okay, and then we just do information is all like information, collision layers. Then this is stuff like gearify. This turned it into a gear. What? The beer's... I didn't even know you could do that. The gear is bouncing. I didn't know you could combine shapes. Cut. What? Okay. And then script menu is just everything about it. So yeah, that. Ooh. And then there's all this stuff. This is where you can change all of the types of worlds. So dark, default, and then there's all this stuff. And then over here is like how an object spawns. So maybe when you spawn in an object, it'll be helium. So now any object you spawn in will be helium. And then appearance is like all the color and all that stuff. Yeah, that's fun. And then this is just like all of the forces, so you can view the forces. And now you can see like all the forces, so like air friction and gravity and friction and torque. What if I move it down? This is so funny. Okay, that concludes our 12-minute tutorial. Good